This is a presentation on how to navigate to the post to walkout report to ensure that all treatment has been properly walked out at the end of each clinical session. Once you log into Eaglesoft, you are going to navigate up to reports. You're going to click on reports and you're going to select all reports. You are going to scroll down until you see detailed treatment plans. You're going to select that and you're going to process this. When you see this pop up, you are going to click off of everything except post to walkout. You want to make sure that the provider says all providers and the dates say all dates. And the only thing that's selected is post to walkout. Now I'm going to select to preview the report. And on this report, I can see that there is a service with this patient that has not been properly walked out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to this patient's chart and I am going to properly walk out this patient. So I'm going to exit out of this, and I'm going to exit out of this and this. And then I'm going to go to the account. I'm going to select my patient. And I remember my patient's ID number, so I'm going to select the patient ID number, which I'm going to put into here. And I'm going to click Tab on my desk, on my keyboard. This is my patient. My patient is highlighted, so I'm going to select Use. And if the recall reminder comes up, just press OK, and that will disappear. And then I'm going to come down here, I'm going to select Walkout. And the services that were selected for the walkout are going to be right here. I'm going to click on Use Selected Plan Services. And then I'm going to come down to the lower right. I'm going to click on Save. And yes, I want to process this walkout. And this has been walked out. So I'm going to go back into that report. So I'm going to exit out of here. I'm going to go back up to Reports. I'm going to select All Reports. I'm going to scroll down until I find Detailed Treatment Plans. I'm going to select the process. Again, I'm going to click off of everything but post to walkout and making sure that the provider says all providers and the date says all dates. And again, I'm going to preview this report. Now, as you can see here, it says there is no data that matches the selected criteria. That means that all treatment has been properly walked out, and this is exactly what you want to see at the end of every clinical session. Thank you so much.